Hello everyone, my name is Thomas. I'm 14 years old and from class I am 13.
Hello, Victor. How are you today?
I'm so good.
That's great to hear. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about fears. What was your fear when you were a kid and why? And tell me if you still have that fear until now or not.
When I was a kid, I had a fear of snake because in times I went to the zoo. I have seen the snake. It is so big and I was scared about it.
So, do you still have that fear until now?
But now I'm not scared
Of snake anymore? Alright, good. Now, let's have phone messages. Tell me, how many text messages do you send and receive in a day? And who do you send text messages most often?
I usually send and receive about around 100 text messages a day, and I take it with my friends.
How about phone calls? How many phone calls do you make and receive in a day? And who do you call most often?
I receive about 3 phone calls and text only once.
You make one.
Once phone calls a day. I call my parents.
Very good. Now, what do you prefer? Sending text messages or making phone calls and why?
I prefer to text message because I can send many emojis when I think.
Alright. Now, aside from sending messages and making phone calls, what else do you use your phone for?
I usually use my phone for searching any
Information.
yes, and I play games.
Okay, I see. Alright, now touring a city. Tell me, what do you usually do when you visit a new city?
When I go to a new city, I usually try local food and buy some meals for my grandparents.
That's great. And can you tell me about your last tour?
The first Sunday of this August, I went to that. I went to Halong.
Hello?
Yeah, and I went to the beach. Played many games. Also beach ball, candles.
How did you feel about it?
I feel very good and it's the great trip
Alright, now let's talk about airports. Tell me about the nearest airport from your home. Can you tell me if the location, transportation, facilities are good or not good?
the nearest airport from my house is Dubai Airport. The longest is because it's in my house.
How many minutes from your house?
It's about I don't remember
I see, it's okay. Alright, how about the transportation?
the most transportation, the bus and taxis.
How about the facilities?
The first thing is good because in the restaurant it have my favorite food is the pho.
Vietnamese noodles.